Okay, still sticking with substitution in terms of solving our simultaneous linear equations. But we've got, if you look back to the previous video, we had one of these equations here that had already isolated a single variable. Okay, we don't have that here. Okay, so we need to change that so that we can actually go and substitute. So first things first, I'm going to go and number our equations. Which one you go and choose to do is entirely up to you. Okay, I'm going to go and rearrange equation number 1. So at the moment it's 2a plus b equals 7. I've got a single variable here in b, so I'm going to go and get rid of the 2a. So now I'm going to be left with b equals 7, take 2a. That now becomes my equation 1, and my equation 2 I can leave as a plus b equals 5. Okay, from here, because our equation 1 says that b equals that, we can now go and substitute that in for equation a. Okay, now the process from here on in is exactly the same. All right, so I'm going to go and sub 1 into 2. All right, instead of saying a plus b equals 5, it's going to be a plus b, which we were just told is 7 take 2a, equals 5. Okay, so a take 2a, negative a plus 7 equals 5. If I go and take the 7 from both sides, all right, double negatives, which means we can go and call that a equals 2. Now we've gone and got our first part of our solution. Okay, we're then going to come across to the right hand side, so we can all keep it on the screen, is that we are then going to go and sub a equals 2 into whichever one you want. Now, equation 2 looks nice and easy for me, so I'm going to go and chuck it straight back into equation 2. You can do 1 if you like, that's fine. The equation currently is a plus b equals 5. Now, we're told that a is 2, so that's going to be 2 plus b equals 5. Take 2 from both sides, b is going to get us to 3. So there's the second part to our solution. Then what you can do, same as that previous video, is you can go back and substitute a equals 2 and b equals 3 back into equation 1 and equation 2 to make sure that left hand side equals the right hand side. So only difference is that we had to just do a little bit of work with equation 1 here because we didn't have that isolated variable. If you had have gone and adjusted equation 2, you would have come to the same result of a equal 2 and b equals 3.